Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a quiz game in Python. So let's dive right into it. First, we're gonna start by creating a new file. We're gonna call it quiz game.py. Let's import the necessary modules. Here we start by importing the type module. Although it may not be used immediately, it's often a good practice to import modules at the beginning of your project. Import time. Then we're gonna define quiz questions and answers. We define a directory called questions to store our quiz questions as keys and the corresponding correct answers as values. Feel free to expand this dictionary with more questions. So in our dictionary, we're gonna use only 2 questions. So questions equals, let's add a question. For example, what is the capital of France? For example, then we're gonna give it the value Paris. Let's add one more question. For example, which programming language is this tutorial about? Then we're gonna give it the value, which is, of course, Python. Cool. So here you can feel free to add more questions as needed. Good. Then we're gonna initialize our score. We initialize a variable score to keep track of the user's correct answers. So it's gonna start at 0. Cool. So score equals 0. Nice. Let's create a function to display and handle questions. We define a function as question that takes a question and its correct answer as parameters, then prompts the user for an answer, checks if it is correct, and updates the score accordingly. So let's define our function. Gonna name it ask question, then correct answer. Cool. Global score, which is our score here. Then we're gonna print question. Here, gonna set our input. Let's name it user answer equals input. Let's write our message here, your answer. Cool. Then the if statement, if user answer the lower correct answer the lower. This is our condition. Gonna print if the user answer dot lower equals to correct answer dot lower, so we're gonna print correct. So this gonna print correct in case the user enters the right answer. Correct. Cool. Score 1. Gonna add 1 to our score. Then let's define our else statement. Print wrong. The correct answer is, and we're gonna print correct answer. So then we gotta define our quiz loop. The run quiz function iterates through the questions directory, calling the ask question function for each question. After all questions are answered, it displays the final score. So let's define our function there. Define run quiz. For this is our for loop. Question answer in questions dot items ask question answer. Then here we're gonna display the final score. Print on view line quiz. Wait. Then print your final score is, then our score slash question. Let's execute the quiz. Finally, we check if the script is being run at the main program. If it is, it prints a welcome message and runs the quiz using the run quiz function. The structure allows the code to be reused in other modules without running the quiz immediately? Let's run our script. Here I should call my function, which is run_quiz. Cool. Welcome to the Python quiz game. What is the capital of France? Your answer. I'm gonna put my answer. For example, let's make a wrong one. For example, London. Our problem, I've misspelled correct. Here, correct. Cool. Let's run our code again. Your answer, let's give it the wrong one again. London. Wrong. The correct answer is Paris. Which programming language is this tutorial about? Let's give it Python. Python. You should be length of questions. Yeah, so question this, which is our dictionary. So it should be 2. Here we have 2 questions. Let's run it again. Same, we're gonna give it London, then Python. Cool, correct quiz game. Your final score is 1 out of 2. Let's give it the right answers this time. So Paris, then Python. Cool, quiz complete. Your final score is 2 out of 2. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned anything new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.